So we start off today's video with this big chop transformation. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob haircut with this one. So after doing the cut, the stylist blows the hair out. Looks like she got a beautiful bob that comes just above the shoulder blades, and a very nice blunt cut for this one. Absolutely gorgeous. Nice effortless bob transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out a variety of hair transformations, haircut ideas, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you've been looking for a new way to shake up your boring strands, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a gorgeous copper curly hair makeover. Loving this hair shade on her. Absolutely beautiful. So as you guys know, along with copper, another very popular hair color trend this season is red. So we have someone getting an asymmetrical pixie style, beautiful blonde. And then here we have this red shaggy cut. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Two hot hair trends in one with this look, shag and the red color, and then we have an all black shaggy style. This here is all about just kind of mixing in some texture overall to the hair. Here's someone else who decided to go with like a red copper shade in the form of a pixie style. Beautiful. I really like the texture that the stylist did with that one. A bit of choppiness to it. And then we have this gorgeous bob. This one features some highlights, some beautiful face framing highlights. Great length for those who are looking to go short but still maintain some length. And then we have a bit of a pixie shaggy cut. And she has a pop of undercolor going there in black. I absolutely love this cut and color combination, so unique. And then we have another hair transformation. Looks like the stylist is going to be doing a bob for this one. Adding in some curtain bangs. Great way to add some shape to the bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. Loving this hairstyle. And then we have another shaggy cut with some blonde mixed in. Beautiful color work with this one. And then we have another hair transformation. So she starts off with like hair just past her shoulders. Stylist mixes in some color. Looks like she got some type of gloss of some sort done. And then he is going in and shaping her hair. Gorgeous. She ended up getting some curtain bangs, some layers. Beautiful. Great way to just refreshen the hair, get a gloss and a cut. And then here we have a long to semi-short transformation. So she starts off with hair just past her shoulders, and she's going to be getting more of like a classic bob. Beautiful. I like the fact that she kept her natural texture with this cut as well. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy all of the hairstyles featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.